that the University of Karachi is organizing a two-day international Seerah conference based on interfaith cooperation in order to promote peace and harmony. The title reflects the motive of this conference. It is about prophetic teachings, peace, coexistence, and reconciliation. We live in a world where there is a need of peaceful coexistence and reconciliation. We know that Almighty Allah created man and sent his prophets for man's guidance. So the divine teaching, according to the wise Quran, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sent as all mercy for the world and for the societies. The Seerah conference seminars is about having a dialogue, which is a prerequisite in order to promote understanding. We know that the bridges of understanding do not without tolerance, without accepting other beliefs. When we talk about interfaith harmony, we're supposed to have no preconceived notion or hostility. It's about appreciating the other's faith. We tend to talk about interfaith harmony in order to convince someone. That's not the goal of any interfaith harmony or interfaith conference. It's about respect for others' faith. Today we are living in a world where we need to consolidate the principles of dialogue and coexistence among different religions, cultures, promoting the value of moderation and tolerance. We need a moderate society and a tolerant society. Combating all forms of extremism and terror. We live in a world, and particularly in this region, we are facing the problem of terrorism and extremism. And how we can overcome these problems? It is sharing and making dialogue with other people without any preconceived ideas. Let everyone have the right to express his or her ideas. If we believe that we have to work with each other, then we should promote moderation. We should promote people having research, giving arguments on the basis of facts, not on the basis of symbolic values. So I hope that this seminar, this conference will provide an opportunity for the scholars and our students to have first-hand knowledge about the scholars who are involved and engaged in this dialogue. I think this is the best opportunity you could have to interact with the scholars. The University of Karachi is a progressive and a liberal university where we promote interfaith harmony, where we promote religious tolerance, where we promote